Cathedral. It's 8 AM and we're off to La Colette to go fishing. Well, we're hoping to catch. What are we hoping to catch, Ben?
Bah, I'm not full. I'm full up.
We got the boat. Woo! And it's looking like a nice day. So hopefully we're going to catch some bass, pollock and mackerel. And we're going to be joined by Matthew. See you all soon.
I'm a young soul in this very strange
Matt.
would learn a bit about what is true and fake. But while these hates try to communicate, finding trust and love is not always easy to make.
How calm it is. It's so flat. What have you got? Oh, it's a bass.
Is that a keeper? What is it? Yeah.
Sand eagle.
Woohoo!
This is a happy end.
It's a sand eel.
Understand.
And off to the Minquiers we go.
Why is everything so wrong? This is a happy end. Come and give me your hand. I'll take you far away. I'm a new soul. I came to this strange world hoping I could learn a bit about how to give and take. But since I came here, felt the joy and the fear, finding myself making every possible mistake.
So we're leaving the beautiful Minquiers. And now we're off to do more fishing. Little houses up there. Okay, this is round 2, back at the spot. Ben's not very happy at the moment because me and Matt have just lost 2 feathers, but we're going to do another go and see what we get.
Yes.
Ooh, reel that in. What do you reckon it is? What does it feel like?
Still got him.
Oh, it's a baby. It's a baby bass, is it?
No, it's one of them.
What is it? Hold it up. Is it a what is it?
No, it's like a shad, I think.
Shad.
What? Hold it to the camera. Let's see.
He's flapping around a bit.
Oh yeah.
It's like
Very silver.
It's like in between a bass and a mackerel.